Hey there, it's Lorraine Bracken here. Today's video I'm going to be giving you a rundown on Charm. It's a product being released on October 13th by Billy Dar, and I'm going to go through the sales page, going to see does it actually deliver on its promises. I'll show you inside the members area, give you a full rundown on how this works. I'll give you the pros and cons and my overall thoughts on whether this will help you make money online, and also I'll give you the rundown on the cost and OTOs. And just to quickly clarify, this is based on my own personal opinion, and I want to give you my honest feedback on this software, and then you can make up your own judgment call if this is right for you. And before I dive right in, if you're interested in starting an affiliate marketing business, you can get access to free step-by-step training in the link in the description below. It is exactly the training I went through over a year ago, and I highly recommend it. So with that being said, is Charm the most powerful one-click traffic app ever created? They claim that it's the world's first autopilot Quora machine that gets you free viral traffic in 26 seconds. They have big promises just like that throughout the sales page, and they claim it's easy. It's going to be 2 steps: activate, enter the website or affiliate link you want traffic sent to, and then number 2, enjoy, witness free autopilot viral traffic pouring in 26 seconds. Now, I'm sure you already know or you've heard of Quora before. It is extremely popular. It's a great way of getting traffic. But the question is, do you need an automation tool like Charm to make it autopilot within 26 seconds of getting free viral traffic? Okay, so I'm inside the members area of Charm. I'm going to give you a rundown here on the left-hand side how this app is supposed to work. The first thing here we have is training. When I select the training button, there is actually no training there as of yet. Now, the product is being launched tomorrow, so they may not have uploaded it yet. Then on the left-hand side, we have Charm front end. And this is the dashboard. We have latest deals from Warrior Plus, latest deals from ClickBank. Now, all these are simply affiliate links. You can easily go to any of these, sign up for a free account, and promote any products that you wish. And then we have Quora questions. You have an option here to give it a name, and then from a drop-down menu you have around 20 different options. So we can say list building, and it's going to bring up some sample questions. So okay, fair enough, that's okay, but you could easily go to the likes of Google. You can type in list building or whatever topic you want to talk about within your niche. Scroll down and go to people also ask, and once you click on them, it does load up more questions. So again, not something that I would consider a great perk of Charm. And then back in the members area, we have Quora Links, and you can create a link. You'll notice that they're all the exact same, except there's a different image in the background. What these are templates for your landing page for someone to opt into your email list. It opens up into a new page, and you get to edit it with images, text, dividers, buttons, video. Very, very basic, but it's okay. Other options or alternatives that you could use for growing your email list and for your landing pages, you could try out GetResponse. That's who I use. Or you could go with the likes of Aweber. They have a free account. You can have up to 500 subscribers completely for free, and you'll be able to send out emails. You can set up landing pages, and they're really good quality. And then we have URL Shortener. You got Bitly URL and Rebrandly, and you can simply go to either of these sites and sign up for an account yourself. With Bitly, you can sign up for a free account. You can have up to 1,000 Bitly links completely for free. I'm just showing you these alternatives because I just want you to be aware that there are options out there with good quality companies, or there's existing companies. You don't need to have Charm in order to have access to them. It's just a matter of knowing the steps. And moving on, then we have Social Blast. Okay, Social Blast, we have all these different social media platforms. We have the recognizable ones like Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit, Facebook, and so on. But a majority of these, there are not actually social media platforms, and it's not really a platform to communicate with anyone. Nobody is there in order to land on your landing page. There's nobody there that's going to see what you're offering. So a lot of these are completely useless. So if that's what they mean by free viral traffic in 26 seconds, this Social Blast list of 100 sources is not going to deliver on the viral traffic in 26 seconds like the claim. Again, this is based on my own personal opinion. There are quite a few here, but automation we'll take a look at. You get to give it a name, you get to give it a username, you can have it as clickback question, follow me, comment, and so on. and then you can enable auto like, daily max activities, which is 5 days, explains number of like comment activities per day. So this is the automation of Quora. You're going to be setting up campaigns of different comments and setting these up to comment on people's questions, I assume. I'm over on Quora policies page, and they do explain that spam negatively impacts interaction on the platform, reduces trust, and obviously they want to have authentic engagement. And obviously the users of Quora want good quality information, and if they reckon that your content is spammy or anything like that, they have the option to report you. And back on the Charm platform, we have Quora and Facebook. You can import your Facebook account. You can automate all these different posts and growth tools. And the same goes for Quora and Instagram. You have the option to create a new post. And the objective here is to post something on your Instagram account and drive them back to Quora. And then we have the passive edition, which is email autopilot, SMS autopilot, e-commerce autopilot, messenger WooCommerce, and website comparison. You can set up your Mailgun, SendGrid, Mandrill, and SMPT API within the settings here. Email campaigns, email sequences campaigns. We'll have a look at this one. We'll add a sequence, and then it says sequence time, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 30. You'd obviously have your emails set up previously, and you can set them up for whatever daily or 24 hours. And then go ahead and then create a campaign. But keep in mind, you need to have your API set up. Same goes for SMS. And then we have e-commerce. So you have an option to build a store. So you put in your store name, your email, all your address details, logo, and then you can set it up by creating the store. And then you have your store settings, all the different categories, coupons, orders. We have our parent settings. You can add a product. And unless you have physical products that you want to promote, then there wouldn't be much use for a store. We'll take a look at the store itself. Now, granted, I haven't given it much information, but it really doesn't look very professional. A good option for you if you do want to set up a store would be use WordPress and WooCommerce. There are different additional options and themes you can go for. In the beginning, you can set one of these up completely for free, and it's very professional and it's a well-established company. So as you can see, it's not a two-step process. There is a lot involved in regards to your emails, your messengers, your e-commerce, and then Quora automation, which I don't recommend. Quora, like I said, is a very good traffic source, but the way to do it is manually. But I'd highly recommend that you go check out Quora policies. Just have a little read on what they actually expect, what you're not allowed to do, what you're allowed to, so that you don't get yourself in trouble and have your account banned. And just to give you the full picture here of what is going on with Charm, we have Quora. And then they're giving you the option then to set up a landing page so that you can collect emails. But keep in mind, you need to have an email autoresponder connected so that you can collect the emails within Charm. Then you send out emails, you create an e-commerce store, or you have ClickBank or Warrior Plus products that you can promote. And then you can follow up with campaigns with SMS or email, and then that will hopefully lead on to a sale. But without content, there's nobody going to find your landing page. But what they claim is by sharing your Quora links on all these different platforms that I showed you inside the social blast section, there's very little chance you're going to drive enough traffic to your landing page. Okay, so moving on now to the cost and OTOs. The front end cost is $17. And then OTO 1 is Unlimited Edition, which is $39. OTO 2 is Done For You Edition, that's $297. And then we have OTO 3, which is Automated, and that's $39. OTO 4 is Done For You Template Club, and that's $39. OTO 5 is 50 click and go campaigns, that's $39. Total cost will be $470. So do I believe that you're going to see any results similar to this? And I honestly don't think you'll see anything close to this, if anything, in my opinion. This is not going to generate you all the viral traffic that they promise. You'd have a better chance of going directly to Quora yourself, learning a bit about how it works. Here's an article from Neil Patel on Quora marketing, why and how to use it. I'd highly recommend you go check this out if you were to consider using Quora. and it'll give you a rundown on how to set up your profile and all the steps involved. But like I say, Quora has massive potential, and if you use it right and follow their policies, you could potentially earn some great money from Quora by driving traffic to your blog posts, to your videos and so on. But you have to do it in the right way. And also, if you're interested in affiliate marketing specifically, highly recommend you go check out that step-by-step free training in the link below. It walks you through the whole process, even as a complete beginner, and you can start off with free organic traffic, whatever social media platform you choose. It's definitely worth checking out. And that's my review of Charm. I hope you found it helpful and you found it informative enough that you can make a good decision on whether it's right for you. And if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification so you stay informed of future videos just like this one. I give my honest opinion. And why not stick around and take a look at these videos on screen, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.